kinahanglan ipadayon pa sa imong karon.
Okay, on my second term, major priorities, concreting of Nabunturan to Maragusan Road. It was declared a national road last year. And also the concreting of Laak to Agusan Road, which was approved also last year as a national road. No? Of course, this would be funded definitely by the national government through the DPWH. No? Yung Pantukan gym, yung malaking gym natin sa Pantukan, tatapusin natin on my second term. It was the former governor who started that gym, no? Then yung tatlong 2-story, 8 classroom school building natin, matatapos ito ngayong mga August. Yung ating hospital na bagong building, it was started also by the former governor. Tatapusin natin yon. And one hospital ward building for Maragusan Municipal Hospital and one ward building for Laak Municipal Hospital, and the concreting of some portions or sections of the major provincial road. Yun ang mga, and also yung DepEd building natin, which was started I think late of 2008, no? Medyo na-audio kunti kasi yan supposed to be last 2008, if you remember, March Bulawan Festival. I-start natin yung 2008, 2009. Yeah, i-start natin yun, but 2009, I think. There was a promise by the Department of Education sa National through Secretary Jocelyn Lapos na mag-counterpart kami because that would cost about 30 million pesos, no? Nagsulat ako sa kanya, in-approve na ng DepEd, maghati kami 15-15, but unfortunately yung counterpart nila hindi talaga dumating sa atin, no? I waited for more than a year. So ang ginawa natin, kailangan tapusin ko on my second term. So with my own budget sa province na lang, and maybe, hopefully, the new Secretary of DepEd, kung sino man yan siya, gusto kong singilin yung i-promise nila sa atin. So yun ang mga major na projects na gusto kong tapusin sa second term.
Much as we would like to accommodate all questions, we are running out of time. Anyway, we will have a chance to rub elbows with the provincial government officials of Compostela Valley during the socials. Okay, we would like to get the party statement of our Honorable Governor, Arturo T. Uy.
Maayong hapon sa tong tanan. Daghang kay salamat sa inyong pagtambong sa among oath-taking, no? Ceremony. And daghang pong salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa akong first term as governor. You were part, no, of my success, shall we say. Then hopefully magtulungan tayo na kung pwede lang yung mga informasyon na ipapalabas natin, yung may datas talaga, yung totoo. And lalo na ngayon, tapos ng election, kalimutan na po natin yung election, and let us work together. The right to information sa ating mga, not only the Combaleños, but outside Combal also, para malaman din natin kung ano mga development natin dito sa province, no? And hopefully, kung may mga best practices tayo dito, pwede nilang ma-replicate. And kung may mga best practices din sa ibang probinsya na pwede ninyong maipalabas sa dyaryo or sa TV na pwede rin naming i-embrace, then I think that would be a good partnership. So daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtambong.
Back to our show, Mindanao Talks. And of course, patuloy ang ating pagkuha ng ating cover sa ating gobernador. At sa pangalawang yugto, yung oath-taking na ating gobernador at lahat ng mga opisyal doon sa Combal Province mula sa atong gobernador hanggang sa vice-gobernador, hanggang sa congresswoman and congressman, At lahat ng mga board member, makikita po ninyo mamaya. At siyempre sa mga mayor at saka vice mayor, and of course sa mga councilor din doon sa Cumbal Province, makikita po ninyo sa ating video or sa ating BTR mamaya na ipapakita namin ang pagsalita ng ating gobernador at siyempre sa lahat ng mga kasamahang opisyal, and of course yung sa pagkandal ng ating gobernador, makikita po ninyo ang kanilang outtaking.
Official promoters are allowed to the stage. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Board Member Ruel Peter S. Gonzaga. Honorable Christine May T. Caballero. Honorable Ruben R. Flores. Honorable Moran B. Takasan. And now for the members of the House of Representatives, District 1, Honorable Congresswoman Maria Carmen Zamora Apsay. District 2, Honorable Congressman Romel C. Amatong.
Toro